it's Robert Designs, and we're back, and I'm going to show you in this video how I painted this valve cover. So stay tuned. Here we go. Alright, we're going to be changing the color of these valve covers like you've seen in the very intro from, this is from a black Dark Horse motor. And the guy that wants these done, he wants Indian symbol to be black, which we have already done. So I've shot this with black paint. I've shot over that with Intercoat clear, and then I'm taping it off now like so. Okay, the next step is I put some green tape over the eye. I will press it in, and with an X-Acto knife I will cut out the insides carefully, and this takes some time. So as you can tell, I'm just taking my time trying to get the majority of it out first. The best way would be to sandblast these back out and repowder coat them, but he wants these to match his paint job, which is a multi-stage House of Color paint job. Will these get warm? Yes. Will the paint come off? No, should not. Will it discolor? There could be a possibility, but being on top of the motor, being a lot cooler, it should be okay. I've seen guys that have painted their race cars with automotive paint, and the only typical discoloration typically will be around the exhaust port. Other than that, it stays fine. Okay, so with that, basically I will trim that out slowly. I'll do each hole, I'll do around the eye, and basically what I've got is this. Just take some time. I'm not going to show you cutting out each segment. The smallest one is the hardest, so I thought I'd at least show you that. Alright, I'm in the booth, and I've got the piece all cleaned up. I've tacked it, I've blown it off, and we're ready to start shooting it. It's going to be basically a tri-stage because it's a base coat, 2 coats of candy, and then the clear on top. So, alright, just double checking everything. Alright, first layer that I'm going to be putting on these valve covers is BC08 Genova Orange, and I got this from Coast Airbrush. If you don't know about them, you should check out their site. He's a wealth of information, and there's sometimes colors that you can't get from your local jobber that you can get through them. That'll be my first coat that I'm putting on, and go. Alright, we're going to be laying down some Pagan Gold, and it's KK12. My mixture is, because I painted the bike beforehand, another bike of his, it's going to be 4 ounces of Intercoat Clear, 4 ounces of Reducer, and 1 ounce of Candy Concentrate. I want to do 2 coats, get there pretty quick, and yeah, so we're going to go ahead and start shooting the first layer of candy down. We're only going to do 2 coats. Okay, so we're going to let that dry, and we're going to wait about 15 minutes, let that cure, or let that dry, flash over, and then we're going to add one more coat of Pagan Gold on top, and then we're going to call that done. We're going to pull the tape off the eye, and then clear the whole piece. Okay, we're going to take out the eye slowly. Clean it up just a little bit more, and then we'll clear over the whole thing. All right, so we're going to be putting our last final coat of clear. I've already put 2 coats down already. And I know I didn't show you that, but it's basically what I'm going to be doing right now. And once I put this coat of clear on, it's done. Just gotta let stuff cure and give it to the shop so they can put it on the engine. So, alright, here we go. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me paint a valve cover. You can achieve this. For me, might even be better just to get it powder coated, different color. They do have the options to wipe that off, the powder coating, depending on the color you're trying to match. But with this particular application, this was a Nova Orange with a Pagan Gold Kandy with clear coat. So I basically had to paint these valve covers. I think they're going to hold up to the test of time. Should be kind of a cool trick for this bike that we're painting. Hopefully what I've showed you helps you out. And if you have any comments, likes, dislikes, you know what to do downstairs. There you go. Put them in there. Alrighty. See you on the next one. Later.